Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to our dear class. In this opportunity, I like to thank God Allah SWT who has given His blessing so we can gather in His place to attend this great event. That is English speech competition. Next, I also want to send my grateful to people in school, Kalisat Senior High School or Semangka, who has helped this big program and giving us a chance to join this event. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Nora Azariana Kunevi. I come from Ledamombo, and I'm a student of SMPN 1 Ledamombo in grade 8. And the topic of my speech today is the good, the bad, the algorithm navigating social media. The audience says, nowadays, social media is not as trending anymore. It's included in a very aspect of life. We almost hear this word every day, every time. Social media itself can be said as a website and application that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. As mentioned in my speech topic, we will find out what the good, the bad, and the algorithm navigating social media. There are access. As you know, social media is website and application that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. On the other hand, social media has a good side and also have a bad side. So, it's important for us in navigating social media. The audience says, the good side of navigating social media can be said as follows. That is, social media can be enlarge our knowledge about situation and condition inside and outside our environment. While the bad side, that is, navigating can be very dangerous for us when we adapt things which is not suitable for us. Then, algorithm itself relates to computational procedure used in the handling the activities. Dear audiences, I think I have presented what the good and the bad side of navigating social media. We hope can we apply the good side of navigating social media in our everyday life and avoid the bad of it.